Today, we are celebrating Prerna Divas in the memory of respected Dr. R.P. Malik sir. I feel aura on the faces of you. You have faith on your work so that you people keeping fit physically, mentally and spiritually. Last year, we taught Touch the Light book, which is written by the teachers. We got good result of that book. As you know, learning gives creativity. Creativity leads through thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. So that friendship should be from heart. That is true love. Malik sir had many qualities as a visionary leader of LPS family. A true Karam Yogi grew forever around us. Transforming vision into reality, you inspire us for happiness. Do practice Third Eye Magical Book, which increases our concentration. As you know, school is doing a commendable job in the field of education as the blessing of Sir. Sir had inner qualities as awakening, peace, love, bliss, power, etc. We learned from Sir truthfulness, honesty, forgiveness, sympathy and empathy, leadership, service to mankind and time management, etc. Quality of a great leader is bold, confident, receptive, humble, convincing, resourcefulness, optimist, etc. Sir always went to Satyam Shivam Sundaram temple every day and met God and discussed with God every problem, became free from tension, worry and anxiety. Malik sir desired that education must prepare students for the future, which live outside the world. As you know, father, mother and teacher are like God. Happiness is being with the speaking. You believed in attitude of gratitude. Your determination made vision possible. You have been an optimist to see opportunity in every difficulty. Sir, a true example of transformation leader and creating global connect. I extend my best wishes to teachers, students and members of managing committee for successful celebrating Prerna Divas. God bless you. Thank you very much.